Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw some more Among Us pets. This time we're gonna draw the UFO, the squid, and the robot. And these are simple enough, so we're gonna draw it without sketching first. Alright, so let's draw these pets, and let's start out with the UFO. So this one is pretty simple to draw. We're gonna draw in the bottom portion of the glass first. So just one smooth curve on the bottom. And then now to finish up the cockpit, just round it up, just draw like a half circle. Alright, and then now for the saucer section, just go back to this point here. Just curve out. And then now we're gonna come back and draw in pretty much the same as this curve, but just larger. So just connect this. Okay, so very simple. And then now for the lights, let's see. I'm just gonna draw a few. I know there's probably more. Alright, so that is the UFO. Hopefully that one's very easy to draw. Now for the squid, it's a little bit more complicated, but very simple as well. So we're gonna draw the head of the squid first. So it's almost just like a circle, but we're just gonna make it a little bit bumpy. Just go all the way around. Okay, and then once we have this, come right here. It's got two little antennas right here. So this one's gonna be on the front, and the one on the back will start over here. Alright, and then now for the legs. So start right in the middle right here. Just gonna draw in two lines. Now I'm gonna extend it in a slightly different direction and then close it off nice and sharp. Alright, and then for the other legs, just come up here, right around here. Just draw two lines going out. Just go past this. Okay, and then now we're just gonna connect this. So come down. And now just connect this. Close it off. Just round it off. Alright, so that's the squid, and now actually this will be the hardest one. We're gonna draw the little robot. But it's actually very simple as well. We'll just take it step by step. Alright, so we're gonna draw in the face of the robot first. Just draw one rectangle, and then in the inside here, just draw two circles. And then now we're gonna come back, and this is gonna be the side of the head. So just extend it and then round it out. All right, and then now for the antenna, start right here. Little curve and little ball at the end. Okay, so now let's come down and draw in the body. So we're gonna continue with this right around here. Just come down, you can make a little mark. Come down. We're gonna taper in. So just kind of slant it in. And then close this off. So we're drawing a little bit of a perspective here. And then now on this side, on the back, we'll go straight back. And then on this side, slant it down just slightly. And then close this off. So that's gonna be the body. And then we can connect this. A little line there for the neck. Okay, and then now for the wheels, I'm gonna start right here. Just gonna draw a circle. Come over here, draw the same circle, just try to keep it the same size. And then just connect this. Okay, so this curve right here, this half circle, draw it right here. Just draw a little half circle. And now we just connect this, and it should be the same slant as this. Alright, so that is it for this set of the Among Us pets. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.